Okay guys, this is my plumbing running to my pump, dual feed. I've got a 3/4 inch PVC, comes up, tees out, and I've got 3/4 heater hose going into both sides of my pump. That's a 3/4 inch PVC. It runs to the back of the trailer. Got a T right here, runs over, connects into my tank, and then I run out to the end of my trailer, put a ball valve there. That way I can get water if I need water for mixing chemicals, cleaning agents I like to call them actually, and that's how I've got mine plumbed. Hope this helps.